with me today as we adventure from Paisley, Florida up to the Rodman Dam up by Ocala, Florida. Along the way we'll be stopping at some of our favorite spots and checking out some new ones. First spot being here is a spring-fed little creek crossing that we're going to have to cross. Water's real nice and clear here. I've seen the water be here as deep as like 5 feet before after a good hurricane or storm. Wasn't too bad today. Continuing on from there, we had a really dirty windshield that we needed to do something with. So luckily right up here I was able to find this nice little almost dry lake, and it had a pretty nice little drive-through car wash. That ought to do it. Continuing on from there, we went out the main road, hung a left out here somewhere, kind of working our way south, and we came to the power lines. We're gonna hang a right here, head west out these power lines for a little bit. First place we're gonna check out is the old Ocala Cemetery. Notice they've been doing what looks to be a bunch of controlled burning out here, as you'll kind of notice a little bit over here to the left side. Went out these power lines here for a good little ways, and up here we're gonna hang a left and head south through the woods. You can see more of the burning remnants here and stuff. And here's some more. Guess they do this to stimulate new undergrowth and what have you. It's kind of good for some of the environment. It looks like they've been doing quite a bit out here lately. Keeping it all under control. Had to weave in and out, getting through some of this, breaking off the main little trail here and there. Try to get through. Some spots were pretty tight, and some fallen trees along the way and stuff. We just kind of had to maneuver over and around and stuff. And we just keep making our way south. Getting pretty close to it here at this point. Just a little bit further, you can see some more of the burned up palms and stuff. Looks like they got a little green coming back in that one. Here's a fallen tree. Luckily somebody's already cut it out of the way, or we would have had to find another way around it or over the top of it. And here we are at the cemetery. Wanted to just check this spot out. It's plotted on the map. Just kind of was curious, wanted to have a look. Pretty tight little gap in between these two trees here. This small one on the left I ended up hanging the driver's side rear tire on. Yep, there it is. Luckily we're running 17-inch beadlock wheels and wasn't too concerned about it. Here's the cemetery here. Got this fence around it. Keep people off of it, away from it. Moving on from there, we got back out on the main road and started heading north to one of our favorite campsites. Pretty nice, well taken care of. U.S. Navy's doing a bunch of training, I guess, today. Here, a bunch of jets. Real nice open area, nice bathrooms, picnic tables on both sides of the road. Pretty cool camping. Right here at this lake, it's right here at the campsite. Real nice clear water, great for canoes, kayaks, paddle boards. love checking this spot out. Moving on from there, we wanted to go have a look at Freak Creek, kind of see how it was holding up. We've been there many a time. Kind of noticed the road has been getting pretty rough on the way out here, as you'll kind of notice. I remember just kind of being able to just go on out this road with no problem. Now it's got a bunch of mud holes along the way. And I think this next one here coming up is pretty deep. As far as just bottoming out and stuff like that. I'm running 40s on here, but if you have a stock vehicle or stock size tires, this one here might give you a little bit of a hard time possibly bottoming out and stuff. I had a truck in 2-wheel drive, ended up having to put it in 4-wheel drive, and it crawled right out of there at that point, no problem. Get out here and have a look. And moving on from there, we just kept heading out the road. More burning here on the left. And came to this nice little 90. We had to hang a right here, but we stopped for a minute and got out for a break. And we got it out this road pretty good. Nothing to really too much worry about. Hawk flying by right here. That's the little parking lot for the boat trailers and parking and what have you. Not a whole lot of area down here for a bunch of vehicles. This is Freak Creek. This nice little, pretty cool area here. You just wind around to the right. Bring you right down here to the water. And here it is, Freak Creek. It's a pretty cool spot we've been to many a times. If the springs are packed and you're in the area and you're still looking to get in the water, this is fed right here from Alexander Springs. Pretty cool rope swing over here in a tree. Some slides over here. In the area, pretty cool spot to check out. Here's the rope swing. I think it's way up there in this tree. But yeah, pretty cool little spot. And I got a trash can here. That's nice. Along the way, I've seen a bunch of trash out in the woods. I hate when people do that, dumping stuff, and really not good. We worked our way back out the same way we came in. Made it through the one hole in the 2-wheel drive. Didn't even have to put it in 4-wheel drive. Just kind of got on through it a little bit. This is the wayside area from Alexander Springs. Pretty cool spot. Canoes, paddleboards, kayaks, put them in there. They have a nice little parking spot there. And we went to the blue sink swimming hole. It's the parking area. You walk down through these pilings here, come down through the hole. Got these big staired area here. Pretty cool, pretty neat looking. First time here at this place. And moving on from there, we continued our way up. Working our way towards a military training area. They do, I guess, bombing and stuff in this area. Pretty big squared off area that they do a pretty good job at keeping it posted to stay out of there. I said you can hear a bunch of the jets. That was pretty neat. That's another sign. And here it is. Ocala Public Street Range. It was pretty packed in there. Pretty nice spot, real nice, well maintained, nice bathroom. Just wanted to stop in there and have a look, see what it was all about. And from there we just got back out on the road and started heading far north, and we came to the Aquaa River, stopped and had a quick look here. Pretty much everywhere we went had a bunch of nice clear, crystal clear water. Came across this almost dry lake bed, heading further north, stopped here real quick, have a look at it. Moving on from here, we're getting pretty close to the Rodman Dam at this point. Kept heading north. They got an ATV riding area out here, and they put all these logs to keep the bigger vehicles and what have you out of the area, I believe. There's a parking area for parking your trailers, go on ATV rides and what have you out here. And we're pretty much at Rodman Dam at this point. We're going to work our way down here and see what's going on. Just the backside little creek area. And here it is, Rodman Dam. Great fishing here. Seen a bunch of people hooking up on some fish as I was there. Got a cable across here to keep the boaters from getting further up in there. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the adventure. Would like and subscribe, and I appreciate it. Till next time.